Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you guys know, I actually started a project pan not too long ago, and it's called the Inside Out Project Pan. And I have two people that joined me, which is so sweet, and that's Kailee Wesley and Little Miss Nat. So what we decided to do is an Inside Out collab, and we all chose like a different character that we want to do a makeup look on, and it's gonna be super fun. So if you want to find out who I picked, just keep on watching. So you might notice like a little bit of a angle change just because I feel like maybe this is going to be a little better. Maybe my face will be a little more illuminated because my door is facing this way, so the light kind of hits my face a little more. Let me know what you think. I don't know yet. I haven't edited, so I don't know how it looks. But yeah, so this is my first ever collab video and I'm super excited. The character that I chose is Fear, and what's really funny is I actually have a pop of Fear. So the goal is to like make a look that kind of represents what he looks like. And if you haven't watched Inside Out, you know it consists of different types of emotions like joy and sadness and all that. And this is the one that I chose. It is like a little dusty because it's been like on my shelf for I don't know how many years. So as you can see, I did my eyebrows. I did go in with my Browie Wowie by LA Colors just to like line my eyebrows, and then I went in with Covergirl's like dip thing. It's called a brow and liner powder and it's really good. I just haven't been really reaching for it, but I love how my brows look today, and I went and I just cleaned them up as I always do. So the palette that I decided works great with this project or this collab would be my Bad Habit Pretty Poison palette, and I've talked about this quite a few times on my channel and it's no longer available. It's just perfect for this. So as you can see, these are the shades, but this is what we're going to be using today. And what I'm thinking is I'll just like take a picture of this part, like the shadow part, or post one, and then I'll just put like a little emoji on the shadows that I'm using while I give you guys some details on the people that I'm collabing with, because there is much to be said about each of them. They're both very different but very similar at the same time. Both amazing people. So let's start out with Kailee Wesley. You'll find down below I linked her latest video and also one of my favorites, which I mean a lot of her videos are my favorites, but this one in particular I really enjoyed watching. It's called Wowie Project Pan, and I loved that video. I loved her explanation because she is like much more experienced with project panning. I started this one just, you know, I kind of wanted to dip my toes into project panning because I always found it so exciting to see pictures of people post like their palettes with like all the like hitting pan. So yeah, but I don't know if it's for me. I'm not really disciplined and I haven't even been reaching for my haven't even been reaching for my stuff in my own project pan. And I just saw, like, looked at my calendar and this month is flying by. It is flying by. It's less than a month now for my birthday. It's so crazy how this year is just like going, and oh my god. So anyway, back to the talk. She just posted that she isn't feeling so well. I hope by the time that we post these videos that she's better, because I know how it is, like being sick sucks, but you know, you just kind of have to wait it out and go through it. So I just want to talk about her channel for a bit. So she is a channel that consists of a variety of different stuff. She is a combination between tag videos, if you love those. Oh my god, she's so amazing. She always like has the greatest responses for the questions and stuff, and her responses, she's so funny and so relatable too. Another thing she does is collabs with different people, hence this video. She loves collabing with people, and through her is actually how I found so many amazing YouTubers to follow, because she just is an amazing person and she attracts so many amazing people to her. So I have found so many great people. I think I found Little Miss Nat through her. Besides collab videos and always connected with people, always having such amazing things to say about each person, which amazes me because I use a lot of the same words in like my everyday talk and stuff and my everyday speech. So I don't know how she does it to come up with such amazing, like, she just talks about people in such a genuine way. when she describes him in her video. I guess what I'm trying to say is that I don't know how she always comes up with such amazing things, because everyone's so unique that she kind of highlights the qualities, the best qualities of each person and each person's channel. And I really do love that, because I feel like she's not just like, you know, lying, and she's not gonna recommend someone that she doesn't believe in. That's another one of her videos. She also does a lot of panning videos. She has started a lot of like project pans on her own, and she has like a lot of updates as well. So if you love project panning, you'll love her channel. Also does like, I noticed some multiple looks like using one palette. So I feel like those videos really do help those who need some inspiration, who didn't like think about the color combination that she used or whatever. So I really feel like those videos are really helpful, along with her other videos, of course. And the last one that I noticed that she does is like friend mail, which is so cool. That's so cute, like sending her friends makeup, earrings and stuff to try, and like from different places. I guess like they live in different areas. Really fun idea, like to just, you know, send your BFF something that they could try that they can't get their hands on. The one word that comes to mind, if I had to describe her in one word, I would say that she is super supportive. I feel like she always comments on like 99% of my videos, and if she doesn't like watch the whole thing, she'll come back later. Like, I feel like she's super supportive. I always see her like in everyone's videos, like the mutual people that we follow. I always see that she commented already. Like, if I have to watch it later, if I watch it in the moment, she's always like the first one to comment, which I think is amazing, because she's just so supportive of like her friends and she believes in them. We're gonna go in with some J-Cat Beauty. It's like this sparkling powder, basically glitter, and this one's in Champagne Kiss, and of course we're gonna add glitter because why not? I love glitter. So I have mentioned that she's done like a lot of collab videos, and I feel like even though she's done a lot, she always seems so excited about each and every one of the people that she's collabing with, and I feel like it's just genuine excitement. It's not like, oh my god, like I have to force myself to collab with this person. Like, no, it feels like genuine, like she's my friend and I believe in her, and this is why. Like, these are all her amazing qualities. This is her channel, like go support, and it's just really amazing. Just enjoy watching her collab videos. I feel like her looks always come out so amazing. She's super creative when it comes to her eye look, and using a product, super creative in that area as well. So I'm gonna put my glitter on because I just noticed it's gonna be a little tough to concentrate and then do a line. So I'll be right back, and we're gonna talk about Little Miss Nat, because I haven't forgotten about you, and we'll just continue on to talk about another amazing woman, another strong, amazing person, and we'll be right back. So I might look a little crazy. I did go in with my Pink Panther liner that I always talk about. As you can see with my glitter, it kind of goes on and does some weird situation at the end. I did notice he has like this thing on top of his head that kind of like curves in, and I kind of wanted to mimic that with the glitter. That was not planned at all. I feel like you can't really tell, but if not, it kind of looks like a little heart. So I mean, I tried it, I don't know. And then today, of course, is like when my wings come out super crazy. So let's move on to face. I'm just gonna go in with some lip there. So for Little Miss Nat, she's another amazing woman. If I had to use one word to describe her, she is super, super creative, especially like with her looks and stuff. I think my most favorite video of hers is one that she did last month on the 31st. She did like this huge collab. I think it was like with 16 people or something. When they all, like her group and stuff, they did this like Halloween video on the 31st. It was like Halloween in July. And her look that she created was so amazing. If you haven't watched it, and if you don't follow her, of course, I'll have all her information down below, to her latest video, to my favorite video, so you guys could go check that out. But I feel like that one's like my most favorite. I mean, I love a lot of her videos, but that one was so creative, and she used like what she had, and it's kind of like you don't really need to go out and buy, you know, stuff, expensive stuff, to achieve an amazing like Halloween look or any like makeup look. Going in with some face primer from Santee Cosmetics, and for her, she has a lot of like types of it. It's just like all of us, we don't really have one specific thing on our channel. I feel like we all kind of do what we want, what makes us happy, what we feel we want to share and stuff. So her channel consists of a combination between hauls, which I love seeing what people buy, and like when they get things at a great deal. There's like so many amazing hauls. She also did another haul recently on like this brand, I forgot what it's called, but it's kind of like a mysterious like brand, like a mystery brand or something, and it's kind of like so cool. I'm gonna put a picture of the video because I don't know how to explain it. But that one was so fun too, because she also like kind of branches out and tries different brands. It's not only like the mainstream brands that everybody hears about. Another type of video that she does is unboxing videos. She also does a lot of panning videos. Playing with makeup, I think, is also another one of my favorite categories from her channel, because she is so creative, like I mentioned. So she'll use like products that you didn't think you could use them that way, like she'll use them that way. She'll show you, and even though like she's just like throwing on color and like she's not really thinking about it, I feel like her looks always come out so amazing. I'm just blending out my concealer. I'm using my L'Oreal. I just love it. It's so like multitasking. I use it to cut my crease. I use it to clean my brows. I use it for concealer. Miss Nat is also a Virgo. Her birthday is actually a day before mine, on the 6th, which is so funny. It's gonna be so fun. I have such good vibes about this, like the last half of this year. It's gonna be so fun. The holidays are coming and stuff, so that's gonna be super fun. And I have a feeling this is gonna be an amazing last half of the year. But I know it's gonna fly by, just like these months. Last like category that I've noticed that she uploads or like on her channel is first impressions on stuff that she buys. I think those are also super helpful. I keep saying that, but it's so helpful to see like what people kind of experience on first like try of a product. Then we kind of learn like all the good, the bad, and the ugly of it in the moment. Yeah, so she's like a fun combination of all those things put together. Whatever she is feeling like filming, she does, because it's her channel. She could do whatever she wants, and I feel like it's such a fun combination. I feel like it's not like totally like one thing one day and then an extreme the other day. I feel like everything is such a like good medium, and I really enjoy like the variety of her channel and all the stuff that she posts. I'm just going in with some blush, and this is one that I've had for years. This is one from the 99, and it's like broken. Well, now it just broke. It was okay last week. So I've just had this for a long time. It's by this brand called Aziza something. Last time I saw it, and they kind of like repackaged it, and it looks a little better. I need to repurchase it because I love this blush and I always reach for it. I feel like it just ties in well with like purple looks and stuff, because I just like mix both of them together. I completely forgot to contour. What is going on with me? I do have like two highlights. I have this one by Evan New York, which is one that I won in a giveaway a couple months ago, and this one's in Galactic Purple Haze, and it's definitely purple. So I think I'm gonna put some down in my inner corner. Oh, you see, that's like definitely purple. That's why I don't know if I could wear that on my face, but I might do that today since we're doing fear, and we are fearless. And I don't know what made me choose fear, because I'm definitely like a disgust person, meaning the character Disgust, because I just like her so much. I feel like she's so sassy and cute, and she has like the funniest lines in the movie. But for some reason I chose fear. I don't know. I mean, I'm definitely like a person who worries a lot, so I don't know if that's like maybe why I chose it, but I'm glad I did. And also because my favorite color is purple, of course. I feel like this worked so well. I know they have like a peach one that I really like. Oh, did I say I was gonna use this? Yeah. No, I have a purple highlight actually in the Soph X palette. They have like this shade right here, so I'm gonna try to put that over the purple just to make it pop a little more. Little Miss Nat is such a supportive, sweet, creative person. She just seems like a genuine, like, amazing woman. She amazes me because she says that she does her makeup on the way to work or at work, that she's always like doing her makeup on the go. It's such a beautiful palette. If you haven't tried the Soph X palette, I bought it from Ulta. It's so amazing. Okay, so I'm back. I'm just gonna share with you guys what I threw on real quick. I did go in with my Voluminous Lash Mascara, and I just love this mascara. It's so amazing. I lined my lips with this Ebon lip liner. It's just one of my favorites. I love these. I mentioned them in Sunday's video. I just love like lip lining, and with these it just makes it a lot easier. And then I went in with my fave, the Too Faced Melted Matte, and this one's in Why Not. Such a beautiful like purple shade. I love it. And then I just topped over with some gloss, and I went in with this Wet n Wild gloss. This one is in 550 Wine and Dined. So I really love how it came out. Let me know what you guys think. I did go in with the glitter, as I mentioned, and I did like that little thing right here just to kind of make it look like that thing that he has on his head, this thing. And let me know what you guys think. I really am glad that I went in with this palette because it's just so perfect for this collab. I just love how this look came out. I was definitely kind of worried because I haven't used this palette in quite a long time, and I remember, like I mentioned quite a few times, a bad habit. It used to have like inconsistent shades, and there's just palettes that I don't like at all. So this is one I kind of remember liking, and loving, because I did love it. I used to use it all the time, and then I just kind of stopped. So I love this palette so much. It did have like quite a bit of fallout, but it was bearable. Like, it wasn't like crazy, like uncontrollable. I love how this look came out, and I'm so happy that I used that palette. And then to Kaylee and Little Miss Nat, thank you so much for wanting to collab. It was so much fun to film, and I'm so excited because I love how this look came out. I can't wait to like post it on Instagram and then post this video so everybody could kind of see. And I don't know, I have a bad memory, so things that happened last week, sometimes things that happened yesterday, I forget. So do I remember what characters they picked? No. I can guess, but I don't know. I have to go and look for myself. But even if I knew, I'm not gonna tell you guys because I want you guys to be surprised when you head over to their channel. But I'm so excited that I got to film this, and I'm so happy. And it was just like super fun to film because this was my first ever collab, as I mentioned, and it was good, and I hope that I did them justice. They're just two amazing, strong women, super creative, both super supportive. So we made it to the end. So I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. All the items that I used, the names, the prices, everything is down below, as well as some videos from last week. If you want to give those a watch, they're also down there in the description box below. I upload every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every other Sunday. If you would be interested in sticking around, that would be amazing. Again, let me know if you guys like this angle better. Like, let me know, like, does it look better? Like, does my face, I don't know. I'm gonna see when I'm editing. I'll probably put a little comment for myself as I edit. What do you think, Steph? Because I don't know. Better. It's just a little uncomfortable to film because now my legs are like crossed and my foot fell asleep. But also, if you would like to follow me on my Instagram journey, I'll have my Insta handle right here. I am planning on revamping my page because right now I'm taking a little break because I was posting 3 times a day for quite a while during my liquid lipstick lottery. So now I'm taking a little break, and I'm kind of thinking of revamping, but I'm still like in the stages where I have no idea what I want to do now. But I'm excited to see where my Instagram page will take me because I've just had it for so many years, like my baby. It would be amazing if you could come join us over there. It would be amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You are your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.